This screencast is to let you see the discussion board that I posted in my Sandbox. So I'm going to click on Sandbox, and then I'm going to click on Class Discussion Zone. And here you'll see I designed a forum called What Would You Do for This Student's Instruction? This prompt is based on the reading class that I teach in special education. And basically, I've reminded the class that we've just learned about improving students' phonological awareness. Then I give them a problem based on phonological awareness that a student might have. And I give them two tasks. One is to come up with a solution to help that student using evidence-based practices. And the second is to respond to two of their peer solutions. So what I've done here, if you click on this, you see I posted a solution supposedly, and it's just so you can see a thread that I started, okay, what it would look like. And then I would need to respond to two of my peers in this discussion. But no peers and no one here that actually could be graded. So let me go back into the prompt so you can see how I set it up, and also you can see the rubric. So basically I set it up for a long period of time, so you can see it until the end of the century. Then I put a due date for the forum, and I also created a rubric called Reading EBP Problem Solving Discussion Activity, and I'll open that in a second. And I checked all of these that I wanted to be available and what I wanted set up for students here in terms of creating and editing. So what does the rubric look like? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts that the student posted a solution, and the first one is, how many elements of the problem did they address, the whole problem or just part of the problem, or just very minimally addressed it. How many peer responses did they post? 100% of the points being 2 postings to 2 peers, so 1 for each. The quality of the solution, so basically they get points, full points, if it was detailed and meaningful. And here, quality of student responses. So how did they reply to their peers? Again, looking at whether it was detailed and meaningful. And lastly was grammar and spelling. Did they follow the basic rules there? And that's where they would get their total of 10 points for this posting. Okay, that's all about my discussion board posting.